Guys, now I am showing you a demo. Those who are using bonding, how to wash on the head. Now keep watching this video how we wash this. We have attached a patch to the mold, and now we are washing on the head. So keep on this, keep watching this video. Now what we are doing is just follow this instruction. Those who are using bonding, just pour water on the head firmly. Take shampoo, 1 sachet shampoo. From the top, just put this like this. Evenly we have to put this shampoo. Make sure every hair has been touched to the shampoo. And then immediately take water. Just pour water on the head. Take conditioner. Please follow this video and watch till the end so that you know exactly what to do when you're doing bonding. And take a comb like this and comb it then and there itself along with the conditioner. With this, the hair get very smooth. There will be no tangling. If there any tangling is coming, it will rid off of it, and there will be no damage to the base. And take this comb which has broad teeth. Don't take a small teeth, so it will get tangled. The teeth will come inside the base and it becomes worst. There is a chance of getting damage to the base. Now just again, within no time, just put water on it. Make sure that conditioner rinse off from the hair. This video is only for the bonding, those who have used tape along with the glue. Take off excess hair from the head the same way. Put a towel on the head and take off the excess water from the head. Immediately after that, keeping the towel, after taking off that, now we have to comb it again. Now what we have to do is, with this roller comb, just show this comb, and blow dryer, we have to comb accordingly. Just now we'll show you. Please watch this video. We have to do the same on the head. Now you have to take a leave-on serum and apply on the head. Just take a few drops, 4-5 drops, and along with the water, and just rinse off on the head and put a setting. With this, we get a new look, and hair become very soft and shiny. We follow the same at our office, and this is the way for bonding. We have to set like this. Now you see, just we comb, we get the look what we desire. So hope this video is beneficial for everyone who are our client and who are not our client also. So kindly subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.